In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Facebook page with Meta Business Suite account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can manage your page's posts, messages, insights, and more from one place. For best results, do this on a desktop browser and make sure you're signed into the Facebook profile that has the right permissions for your business. Start by opening Meta Business Suite. You can get there by going to business.facebook.com in your browser or by launching the Business Suite shortcut if you have one saved. If you're prompted to log in, use your usual Facebook credentials. Once it loads, confirm you're in the correct business if you manage more than one. You'll see the business name near the top of the left sidebar. Next, head to Settings. Look toward the lower left corner of the left-hand menu for the gear icon labeled Settings. Clicking this opens the control center for your business assets and permissions. If you don't see the gear, try expanding the sidebar or scroll to the bottom of the menu. This area is where you manage the backbone of your setup, so it's worth getting familiar with where everything lives. Inside Settings, find the Pages section. It's typically listed under a broader Accounts or Business Assets category in the left panel. Click Pages to open the list of any pages already connected to your business. This view helps you confirm what's there and what's missing before you proceed. If the list is empty or you don't see the page you expect, that simply means it hasn't been connected yet, and you're in the right place to fix that. Now, click Add. Look for the Add button near the top right of the Pages screen. This is the control you'll use to connect your Facebook page to your Meta Business Suite account. When you click it, you'll see the available options for bringing a page into your business, and from there you can continue based on your specific situation. If a pop-up blocker interferes, allow pop-ups for this site and try again. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If Settings or Pages doesn't appear, refresh the page and verify you're in the correct business. If the Add button is grayed out, you may need higher permissions. Contact an admin on the business to grant access. After connecting, give it a moment for changes to sync across Business Suite and Facebook. That's all you need to get your Facebook page connected in Meta Business Suite, so you can manage everything in one streamlined dashboard.